A year ago, I began to notice that my sight was slipping away. I sat at home alone and felt the darkness settle around me. But today, I walked outside into the thin green rain and made my way to the subway. I have a journey to go on. There are some things I need to find. I walked down to the subway platform. Waiting for the train, I started to wonder if all the subway tracks in the world joined together. Where would I go? I pushed my way onto a train full of people. Do they all have someone waiting for them at the other end? The train shudders to a stop. The doors slide open. I don't remember what the station looks like, what would be around me when I step outside. I climbed the stairs only as an elephant, careful that I don't trip and fall, peacefully, patiently, one step at a time. When at last I walk out of the tunnel, I can't see the light, but I can feel the leaves falling like sunshine all around me. I want to pick some apples, hurry in my hands with their juice. They're sweet and red, they'll taste plump and round. Back into the underground, the train scoops me up, and like a memory carries me along. A new station, up the stairs again. What if I stepped out into an ocean? I dream that I know the language of the dolphins, that I can hear the secrets of the sea. I have forgotten how blue the sky can be, but in my mind, I still watch the clouds changing shape. I never noticed before that the train in the tunnel sounds like waves against a distant shore. I wonder what would happen if I stepped off the last stair and found nothing beneath my foot. Maybe the air would teach me to fly, just like it teaches the birds, and the wind would blow me back to the trains and set me gently down. Sometimes the streets twist themselves into a maze, but if you look hard enough, there's always a way out. I'll never know if this station is the same as was yesterday. Did it change overnight, grow into something new? Because I haven't found what I need. Trains rumble and clank and rush past me. Which is the right one? It's easy to get lost underground. A little boy asks me how to get home. I tell him, I'm looking too. Home is a place where everything I've lost is waiting patiently for me to find my way back. The last thing I lost was a light, as if somebody played a joke on me, turned off the switch. I tried and tried, but I couldn't find it again, so I went forward, step by step, into the dark. Now I listen for the sound of the colors I can't see. I try to smell the shapes, taste the light and the dark, and I hope to find a friend who will read me a poem while the window fills up with sunset. Listen, far ahead, a butterfly is flapping her wings. I can feel the wind she makes brushing against my face. I follow her, going down against up against down, because I think she can show me where I could find a juicy red apple or a single golden leaf. She'll take me to a friend I need to find. She'll lead me to the place where all the colors are. She'll bring me back the light that I've lost, still glowing here in my heart.